Friends, today I have two stocks. One is in the infrastructure sector, and the second stock is related to the petroleum services sector. One of the companies is Kalpataru Projects International. This is the logo of the company. You can see about 3.8% return in the last 1 year, 1 month, a negative of 6.5% in the 6 months, and negative 1.5% in the whole last of 1 year. We'll quickly go through the information. Founded in 1988, real estate development company based in Mumbai, 8,645 crores. Current price 420, high of 453, 0% dividend. Return on capital of minus 0.45% and return on equity of minus 9.5%, which doesn't seem very good for a company involved in large infra projects. Company has a minus 12.5% return in the last 3 years. Company might be capitalizing the interest costs. Uh, so most of the results are not available quarterly basis. You can see company has been a loss-making company for the last 4 5 years, so not a very good sign. You can see minus 43, then minus 57, minus 131, minus 239, and minus 106. So not really doing well. Profit growth last month has been 56%. However, the figures don't resemble the last March 2025 results are not showing here. Sales is a minus 47%, which means that sales have reduced drastically, and a minus 9% return in the last 1 year. Drop in the reserves due to the loss in the business from 1,075 crores down to 890 crores. Borrowings have increased by 1,000 crores, which leads to a negative impact on the company, higher interest costs, and impact directly on the profitability of the company. So we'll have a look at the other company. What is the name of this company? Okay, GNI Infrastructure. Okay, we'll go through the write-up. Just a minute. Let us quickly look at some of the information here. This is the logo of the company. One second. Okay. Uh, so the shares of Sunmith Infra Pharma Limited. Yeah. So it's into prominent petroleum products dealer. Incorporated in 2000, petroleum products trading and realty of infra business. 181 crore market cap, price of 11.5, high of 18.2. It's a penny stock. Price to equity ratio, earnings ratio, sorry, 116, which is very high. Book value of point 2 rupees 32 paise, face value 1 rupee, dividend yield of 0.3%, return on equity 4%, 4.3%, return on capital is also low, 7.3%. Debtor days have improved by about 20%. Stock is trading at 5 times its book value. Company has low return on equity, 11.3% over the last 3 years. Then, yeah, you can see overall about 10% growth in revenue from comparison to the September quarter. Net profit from a negative in September to a positive 1.59, and compared to the last 2 quarters, about almost five-fold increase in the net profit, which is a good sign. Though it's a low value business company, low market cap company, so for it to constantly do well, to be able to add more value to the stock, and see last 1 year growth of about 50% in revenue, reaching the levels that it previously held. So, though it doesn't really add too much of value, it's reached the 22-23 revenue targets. Net profit has reduced, which is not a very good sign in the last 1 year. Profit growth of minus 65%, sales growth of 56%, then price negative of 29%, and return on equity has been the worst in the last 10 years of 4%. Overall, last 3 years, company has given 11% return on equity. Reserved just increased by 1 crore, borrowings reduced by 2 crores, which is a good sign. Overall, uh, days payable have increased, inventory days have increased. So because inventory has built up, that is the reason why the company is taking a longer time to pay its suppliers and creditors. Cash conversion cycle has reduced, which is a very good sign. Working capital days have also reduced. Overall, uh, return on capital employed has decreased from 17 to 7% in the last 4 years, constantly dropping down. So, which needs to be something that the company would have to work towards. Uh, we'll quickly go through whatever information I have in terms of the order. First, we'll start with Sunmit. It is backed a 2.71 crore order for 200,000 or 2 lakh square meter micro surfacing work at HAM AU101 project, Badnapur, Narayangaon, Jamkhed, Akola, Mohra. Sunmit Pharma operates in diversified group of infra business. The company's segments include realty in infrastructure, petroleum and trading. The company is mainly into the business of biomedical and other waste management, infrastructure and real estate development and trading in petroleum products. Disclaimer: the article cum information has been extracted from the different resources on the internet. All investment opinions and recommendations are those of the uh, broking experts, broking houses, and rating agencies. This do not reflect any personal opinion. Stock market investments carry inherent risk of financial loss. Investors must exercise their own judgment and conduct proper due diligence. The author bears no responsibility for any losses resulting from the decisions made based on this article. It is strongly recommended to consult a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decision. Okay, I think we missed one part. Just a second. So, infra stock jumps. Okay, so Kalpataru Infra has got an order worth 989 crores secured for the power transmission and distribution segment, specifically in the overseas market. This news reinforces WIN's global uh, execution capabilities and strong presence in the transmission and distribution sector. Order intake of 7,150 crores, good growth visibility going forward as per MD and CEO Manish Monat. The company has a strong order book valued at 64,495 crores. Uh, yes, I think that's it. We've covered most of this information. So friends, thank you for watching the video. We'll connect with another video very soon. Please share this video with your friends, family and associates so that they could benefit from this information. Thank you.